So angles are typically measured in degrees, but sometimes if the angle is less than 1 degree, then we can either represent it in degrees and seconds, or we can represent it by a decimal. So we're going to look here how we can convert between degrees to minutes and seconds. So one of the most important conversion here is 1 degree equals 60 minutes. Okay, and so obviously then 1 minute is going to be 1 over 60 degrees. All right, so you can think about in this case 1 degree to be like an hour. So an hour equals 60 minutes, so I have 1 degree equals 60 minutes, and so 1 minute is going to be 1 over 60 degrees. The relationship between minutes and seconds stays the same. That is 1 minute is going to be 60 seconds. Okay, and so obviously 1 second is going to be 1 over 60 minutes. Okay, now if you think about an hour, I have 60 minutes in an hour, or I have 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So 1 degree is going to be 60 minutes, which is going to be 60 times 60 seconds, which is 3,600 seconds. And so then 1 second is going to be 1 over 3,600 degrees. Okay. Okay, so let's look at an example for converting minutes and seconds into degrees. So we have convert 18 degrees, 30 seconds, and 18 degrees, 30 minutes, and 45 seconds into degrees. So we're going to look at minutes. We know that 1 minute equals 1 over 60 degrees, right? So that means 30 minutes is going to be 30 times 1 over 60 degrees, and that's going to give me 0.5 degrees, right? So 30, because that's like I said before, try to think of degrees as hour here. So 30 minutes is 0.5 hours, so 30 minutes is going to be 0.5 degrees. Now if you look at 45 seconds, well, that is going to be 45 times 1 over 3,600 degrees, okay? And that comes out to 0.0125 degrees, okay? So then I have 18 degrees, 30 minutes, and 45 seconds is equal to 18 degrees plus 0.5 degrees plus 0.0125 degrees. So it's going to be 18.5125 degrees. So in this example, we're going to look at the reverse. We're going to look at how to convert these 0.22 degrees into minutes and seconds. Okay, so I can write, first of all, I can go ahead and write this as 39 plus 0.2 plus 0.02, right? So 39 degrees stays as it is. I'm going to look at the 0.2. Well, I'm going to convert that into minutes. So I have 0.2 degrees, right? And that is going to be, how many minutes is that going to be? That is going to be 0.2 times 60, okay? And that gives me 12 minutes. Or I could write it as 12 minutes that way, all right? And then 0.02 degrees, I'm going to convert that into seconds, and that's going to give me 0.02 times 3,600, and that gives me 72 seconds. Okay, but now notice here that 72 seconds is greater than 60 seconds, and we know that 60 seconds makes a minute. So I can think about my 72 seconds as 60 seconds plus 12 seconds. Okay, and so 60 seconds now makes a minute, so this is nothing but 1 minute and 12 seconds. So 39.22 degrees is going to be 12 minutes, so 39 degrees plus 12 minutes plus 72 seconds, but we know that 72 seconds equals a minute and 12 seconds. So this is 39 degrees plus 12 minutes plus 1 minute and 12 seconds. And so that comes out to 39 degrees, 13 minutes, and 12 seconds. So in this case, I can convert 39.22 degrees into 39 degrees, 13 minutes, and 12 seconds. Okay, we typically use minutes and seconds when we talk of navigation. So think about how we report latitude and longitude, right? Your coordinates. We express them in terms of degrees, minutes, and seconds.